Good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to civics class. In the revision topic, today's date is 11th Feb 2021. We are going to see the revision of civics. In that, we are going to see the chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Panchayati Raj. In revision part, today on 11th Feb, we are going to see the following topics from this chapter. We are going to see about Gram Sabha. What is Gram Sabha? Then what is Gram Panchayat? Then what are the levels of panchayats? And lastly, we are going to revise the question answers of this chapter. So dear cadets, please quickly do this revision in a summarized way. First, by seeing this photograph, you can understand about there is some meeting going on, right? One side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people are sitting here under the tree, and these many people, large number of the peoples. So these are all the villagers of at any village, and these are the panch, the 5 people. This chapter already we have studied, so we are knowing this is the meeting of Gram Panchayat. This is Gram Sabha is going on. The meeting between the people to discuss about the welfare of the village. What happens after people elect their representative? How are the decision made? Let's look at how they take place in rural areas. Here we'll look at the Gram Sabha, which is a meeting where people directly participate and seek answer from their elected representative. So these are the Panch, elected representative or the ward members, and these are all the people which talk and discuss their problems with them and to find out the solution. It's a special day, everyone rushing to the Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting. So everybody is excited after the election day, the new Gram Panchayat and the new meeting is going on. The Panchayat of the village Hardas we are going to see. So let's check out what's the story of village Harda. The people of Harda village are keen to find out what their new Panchayat leaders have planned for the village. So here the point, the slide is representing to you what is Gram Sabha. So Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. In some states, as in the example above, a village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is above 18 years old, they are having the right to vote and can be a member of the Gram Sabha. Next, you can see about more related to Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President, which is also called as Sarpanch, and the member of the Panchayat, they are called as Panch, presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. After this discussion moved to the subject of water and water shortage. So by seeing all this thing, you can understand about that the Gram Sabha is a meeting of the people between the elected member, that means the representative, and the villagers. That means whole Gram Sabha is discussing for the welfare of the village. This is the Gram Panchayat and their special work. Okay. Known as, I want to highlight here, ward member. Ward member, which we are calling as Panch. So 5 Panch is there. Out of them, what is Sarpanch, which is called as President of Panchayat or Panchayat President. A villager called Teja begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has been very acute. The hand pump water has gone well below the point to which the ground has been drilled. Very hardly get any water in the tap. women are moving up to 3 kilometers to the Suru river and to get the water. One of the members suggested the piping water from the Suru river, making the overhead tank in the village to increase the supply of water. But other think that it will be very expensive. But it's better they feel to deepening the hand pump and clean the well for the season. Teja says this is not enough. By this slide, you can clearly understand there is a water problem in the Harda village and people are discussing about their problem and trying to find out the solution for that. First, they are having the water problem because the water underground water level has been moved very down to drill more. Then second, the women have to move towards up to 3 kilometers to fetch the water and bring it home. That's a 3 kilometer distance and the name of the river is Suru. And someone is planning to have a pipeline from the Suru river up to the village and others are refusing because it's going to be very expensive. Let's check out more. We need to do something more permanent as the groundwater level seems to be going down every year. We are using more water than is seeping into the ground. So it's a very important point we are discussing here. So carrots, please don't waste water. It's a valuable point here. Water is very essential component in our day-to-day life. We should never waste. Then if we are going to waste or exploit the water, we will suffer with the water scarcity. Another member, Anwar, that tells everyone that he has seen the ways of conserving water and recharging the refilling in its a village in Maharashtra where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called watershed development and he had heard that the government gave money for this work. In his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out more details for this project. So how every member is contributing toward the welfare of the village, please see it here. I am not going to move into very detail because in my explanatory video already I explained this one. So finally the next story is about the BPL card, below poverty line. One card is there in that one member's name was not present, so the people started to discuss and there was a comparison between the village rich people and the average people and the below average people. So how the people are moving into the scenario to finalize the name of the people listed in that. This also you can see it. Next, all the by instruction what the Sarpanch give the instruction that Om Prakash family's income be looked at because his name was not present in the list. If it is less than, then what had to be decided by the government, his name should be included in the list. The last line I am reading for you. So this is speaking about that if the name was missed out, right? So the who did the survey and to check out again. So they are refusing that at the time of doing survey, his home was locked and he may be gone somewhere to look for the work. So by seeing this scenario, you can understand about that how the peer people can be in a disadvantaged situation. Next, the Gram Panchayat. Again, we are going to see about the work of Gram Panchayat includes. So these are the work 1, 2, 3. Source of fund for the Panchayat from where they are going to have the funds. Next point, the Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one of its main tasks is to implement development program for all villages that come under it. As you have seen, the work of government is to make the necessary arrangement, policies, program, that organization work. So it's a very small unit of government we can speak about here and that work for the welfare of the people. So Gram Panchayat has to approved by Gram Sabha In some state, Gram Sabhas forms committees like construction, development committee, and these committees includes some members of Gram Sabha and some of the Gram Panchayat who works together to carry out specific tasks. So what the work of Gram Panchayat include? In the final examination there can be a question, what are the different work of the Gram Panchayat? So don't be confused, we haven't written the answer. So this slide is speaking about that. So the construction, maintenance of water sources, road, drainage, school buildings and other common properties or the resources. Like collecting the local tax and then that's executing government scheme related to generating employment in the village, and from where they are going to collect the funds, they can collect the tax on the houses, marketplace and etc. Then the government scheme funds received through the various department of the government through the Janpat and Jila Panchayat, then the donation from the community work. So by this image you can see about the two village punch. These are the two punch and they are receiving the award of Nirval Gram Puraskar in 2005. Okay, for the excellent work done by them in the panchayat. Let's see that the Hardas Gram Panchayat was able to do. So what they were doing? Do you remember the option they suggested to solve the water problem? Yes, of course you are remembering. So when the Gram Panchayat held a meeting in Harda, this point was brought up again by some of the member, that means Panch, and this meeting was attended by the Sarpanch, ward member, Panch and the secretary. The Gram Panchayat member first discussed the suggestion to dip the two hand pumps and clean one well so that the villager would not go without water. So there should be water. Then the Sarpanch, the Panchayat president, suggested that since the Panchayat had received some money for maintenance of the hand pump, this could be used. That amount of money can be used to maintain the hand pumps. Then next, for completing this work, and all the other members agree, and the secretary recorded their decision. The member that went on to discuss the option for a long-term solution. The Gram Sabha member asked the question at the next morning. Some Panch asked whether the watershed program would make a substantial difference to the water level. After the lots of discussion, at the end it was decided that the Gram Panchayat would approach to the Block Development Officer, BDO. The short form can be asked to you, and to write the full form of the BDO can be asked to you in the examination. So you have to write about the Block Development Officer. The three levels of Panchayat. So here we are going to see about the three levels of Panchayat. After reading about what had happened in the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat in Harda village, you can understand that the Gram Panchayat system is process through which people participate in their own government. So Panchayati Raj system in the first tier or the level of democratic government. The Panch and Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha because it is the member of the Gram Sabha only who elected them. The idea of people participating in the Panchayati system. So in the Panchayati Raj system has extended to the two other levels. One is the block level, which is called as Janpat Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti. First one, block level, which can be called as Janpat Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it, and above the Panchayat Samiti is the district Panchayat, or we can speak the Jila Parishad. So the three levels, that means the Panchayati Raj, that means Gram Panchayat. After the Gram Panchayat there is a block level. After the block level there is a district Panchayat. So Panchayati Raj, then Janpat Panchayat or Jila Parishad. You can place any name and make the three levels. Once again I want to clarify. Gram Panchayat, then Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. Okay. Jila Parishad actually makes the development plan to the district level. With the help of Panchayat Samiti, it also regulates the money and distribution among all the Gram Panchayat and how the money is moving from one place to another for the welfare of the people we are seeing here. Next, moving toward to see the different guidelines given in the constitution. Each state in the country has its own law with regards of panchayat. Next, we are going to see about the question answers from this chapter. Already we discussed this question answers, so one by one we are going to see the question answers. Let's check out the first question. So first question is asking to you, what problem did the villagers in Harda village face? What did they do to solve this problem? So let's check out. They were suffering from the water problem and they were having different options. The villagers in Harda faced the problem of drinking water shortage. They did the following tasks to solve this problem. First, they determined the 2 hand pumps, they cleaned one well, and they sought out information about the scheme of watershed development from the block development officer. So here the points are speaking in relation to, first they held the meeting. In the meeting they had a discussion of the problem related shortage of drinking water or the fresh drinking water, right? In that they had taken the decision to make the hand pump to be more deep or clean one well and to gather more information which is going to be helpful for recharging the groundwater level so that in future they cannot suffer from the water shortage problem. So dear cadet, this question can be asked for 5 marks or otherwise it's going to be asked for 3 marks in the question. If it is going to be 3 marks, so question number 1, what problem did the villagers in the Harda village face? 1 marks, and what are the different steps they had taken to solve this problem will be of 2 marks. Next question. What in your opinion is the importance of Gram Sabha? Do you think all the members should attend the Gram Sabha meeting and why? So what in your opinion is important from Gram Sabha? Let's check out the answer. The answer is speaking to you that all the members should attend the meeting because it's very important to discuss about the problem which are faced by the member, and all the people's suggestions can contribute to finalize one good point for the welfare of the society. So no need to write this answer, and just I'm explaining to you. Next, what is the link between the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat? So we are knowing about the Gram Sabha is the meeting of all, and Gram Panchayat which is having the elected member. Let's check out. So Gram Sabha works over several Gram Panchayat. Then Gram Panchayats are the member of Gram Sabha. That's a link between each other. You can elaborate these sentences and write your answer. So Gram Sabha control and approve the spending of money received from the government. So the 3 points are talking about the link between, because the Gram Sabha only elect the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabhas work over several Gram Panchayat. Next, take an example of any one task of that. This question you please read it and try to find out the answer, but no need to write in your notebook. Take an example of any one task done by the panchayat in your area or nearby rural area, or find out more. So you can check it on the Google also from your locality. So all the work, their planning, their funding, who is doing what, everything will be available on internet. Next point, this revision is very important. So do all this revision very properly in a systematic way. What is the difference between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat? After reading and discussing all this point, it's clear to you what is Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. So here is the answer. Gram Sabha consists of all the adults of the village, while Gram Panchayat is the elected by the member of Gram Sabha for the period of 5. And the area of Gram Sabha is entire village, whereas Gram Panchayat is divided into ward represented by the ward councillor, and Gram Sabha put control over the Gram Panchayat. Then by reading this paragraph you have to find out the answers. Okay, find out more about the watershed development and how its use have the benefit the area. So this is the answer already we had seen in our regular class. Lastly, I want to thank to each and everyone for watching this video. Do the revision part very seriously. We are revising it only for your welfare, so do it in a systematic way. Thanking to each and everyone.